Hey everyone, I'm back. We're going to do a 10 by 20 flip and drag. And I'm going to use that Purple Lake again by Creative Inspirations. And this is Creative Inspirations Light Green and Soho Prussian Blue. And I think that's it. Yeah. I don't want to put too many colors in, and this is going to be pretty bright, so I did mix up some fresh white so we can have some nice fresh paint today. So if you watched one of my past videos here, I started my fire. So yes, accidents do happen. Don't know what order I'll be posting these videos. Oh my goodness. And I caught it in time. So the sun finally came out. We were supposed to be like 80 degrees today. And this morning it was so cold. It was like in here, because I'm used to having it warmer now since I've insulated. And I thought, it was 78 degrees yesterday. Why is it so cold in here? So it must have got really cold last night. So I was worried because I resined last night, and I was worried that my resin wouldn't dry, but it was beautiful this morning. It was all dry and hard and ready to be de-taped. So I peeled the tape off and cleaned them all off, and they're gorgeous, and I did show them on a video, so you'll get to see them. If you're a subscriber and you watch my channel, you will see all this stuff. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Come on aboard. Okay. Don't know what that is. I don't know. All right, I gotta quit fussing. Okay, so we're gonna use a 5-ounce cup. I'm gonna spray a little WD-40 in there. And that is the black can. My husband bought me another one of those for Christmas. That thing's gonna last me for years. I only use a tiny squirt. I've been using that for months now. Okay. So when I'm pouring in the cup, I have to determine what color I want on top. And I definitely don't want the green on the top. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start with the blue. And then the green. And then a blue again, because I don't want to take the chance of making a little mud there. So I'm just covering that green up. And some Purple Lake. I need to swirl that just a tiny bit because there. We would have had too much of a gob. I'm going to pop it in the middle. I keep hearing things. I'm going nuts today, I think. One of my neighbors is moving. She's got guys over there. I'm just waiting for the noise to start. She moved all her furniture out the other day, so I think they're just repairing things today. So if you're looking for a cute little 3-bedroom house, let me know. Franklinton, North Carolina. We are 20 miles north of Raleigh. There's a lot of green in there, isn't there? Where did my purple go? We're going to stretch it out. stubborn spot here that doesn't want to fill in. And there's one here. Not moving. She's not moving. So I've been thinking about, since I have so much room out here in my studio now, I've been thinking about having a few private classes. No more than 3 people in a class probably, to teach acrylic pouring and how to make the jewelry and stuff. So my husband says, when are you going to find the time? That was good, because he knows me so well. But there is a few people in the area that I talked to at Michael's, and I also have a fellow acrylic pourer in Raleigh, so we'll see. We will see. Boy, that's just all over the place, isn't it? I need to bring this down, I guess. Okay, that's a little better. That's interesting there. I don't like this here. We can fix that with the airbrush. And give it a torch. I didn't think that green would take over like that because I put it between 2 colors. I would thought the blue would have taken over. Well, let's see what happens, because the blue and the purple might be on the ends and we can blow that out. So we'll start over here. There's not any paint there. There we go. I just gotta move some out. Oh, that blue and purple together is pretty. I don't like that hook. I'm not a hooker. That didn't sound good, did it? I don't like the hookies. My garbage men are, well, the garbage men are out there. They're not my garbage men. So they're making lots of noise. I'm sorry. They're leaving. That's all I'm going to do on that side. This is for the green lovers, isn't it? There's a lot of new techniques coming up on YouTube. I've been watching some new stuff. I'm not brave enough. I still am not giving up on the water bottle bottoms. I said I wasn't going to do any more of those, but I was cleaning up my studio the other day and I'm like, I have like 30 of those things. I need to like do a couple more of those paintings. And I really want to do some more string art. I actually brought some yarn out here today to play, so I wanted it wider than string. I don't know if y'all watch Mike from Wiggles Art. He's been doing a lot of string paintings, and they are so cool. And he spins them too, so he's fun to watch. He's very creative. And Heather Wright Art, she was doing a Emily Duncan inspired painting today when I watched her with her spinner and pouring color on. It's pretty cool. It's like, don't give up, guys. You can perfect your technique. You just got to practice. I think that's all I'm going to do to her. That is so interesting. I can't wait to see what that is like when it's dry. Except that I got this bleh right there. I wonder if I put some white there. And I need a little bit right here. I think that's it. I'm not touching anymore. She's all over the place. We got purple, blue, green. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. I don't want to start fire now either. So if you're just joining me, please subscribe. Click on the bell below next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Share, share, share. I've been seeing a lot of my stuff on Pinterest. Thank you for whoever's doing that. It's awesome. Click like. I already did that, didn't I? Click like. Leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And also my Etsy store, Christina Welch Art. And I have paintings and beads and jewelry. Lots of stuff to look at. Okay. So thanks for joining me, guys. And I believe I have 3 more to do today. So I'll have enough paintings to last us all week. So we'll be seeing lots of videos from me this week. So have a great day and take care. Bye now.